Now we are going to see about Sarvanam. Sarvanam means pronoun. संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाने वाले शब्द सर्वनाम कहलाते हैं. That means instead of संज्ञा के स्थान पर, in the place of संज्ञा, the words which we use are known as sarvanam. For example, there is a sentence, यह बंटी है. बंटी दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता है. बंटी की कक्षा बहुत बड़ी है. Here again and again I am using the word bunty, bunty. So instead of bunty, using the name again and again, we can use a specific word, that is only sarvanam. For example, instead of using bunty again and again, we can say यह बंटी है, वह दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता है, उसकी कक्षा बहुत बड़ी है. Here first we have written वह. Next word, next time, instead of bunty we have used the word uski. First bunty we have written as vah. Next time we can say it as uski. So these two words are known as sarvanam. Vah and uski. These two words are sarvanam. इन दो शब्दों को सर्वनाम कहते हैं. नाम के स्थान पर जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया जाता है उन्हें सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Here instead of the word bunty we have used first vah, and in the next word instead of bunty we have used uski. So these both words are known as sarvanam. Now I am going to tell you one more example. यह सुमित है. सुमित मेरा सबसे अच्छा मित्र है. उसके पिताजी डॉक्टर हैं. उसकी माताजी और मेरी माताजी एक विद्यालय में अध्यापिका हैं. वे दोनों अच्छी सहेलियां हैं. उनका परिवार अक्सर हमारे घर पर आता है. हम भी उनके घर जाते हैं. Here these two boys are there. One is Sumit and the one boy is telling about Sumit. So again and again, instead of using the word Sumit, he has used uski, ve, unka, uske. These are the words used instead of using the word Sumit again and again. These are known as pronouns. Here yah denotes Sumit. Mera is the boy who is saying about Sumit. Uske, uski, unka, unke, these are the words denoting Sumit. Mera, meri, these are the words denoting the boy who is telling about Sumit. So instead of using the name everywhere, these words यह, मेरा, उसके, उसकी, मेरी, वे, उनका, हमारे, हम, उनके, these words can be substituted. These are the sarvanam words, that is the pronoun words. मैं, तुम, मेरा, यह, वह, उसने, उस, आप, मैंने, उन्होंने, हम, ये, वे आदि. अपने से बड़ों के लिए इन शब्दों का प्रयोग होता है, जैसे आपका, आपको, आप, आपने. For our elders we have to use these words. अपने से छोटों व बराबर वालों के लिए तुमको, तुम्हारा, तुम्हें, तुम. Those who are younger than us or with those who are of same age or friends, we can use तुमको, तुम्हारा, तुम्हें and तुम. For elders means आप, friends means तुम. अपने लिए, for us if we want to use, we no need to say our words, our name again and again. That time we can use it as मैं, मुझे, मेरा, मेरा नाम बंटी है, मुझे कलम चाहिए, मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। दूसरों के लिए others those who are not nearby, वह, उस, उसका, वे, उन्हें, उनका, these are the words which can be used those who are not nearby. वह means he or she, उसका, theirs, his, वे means they, those who are not nearby. These words can be used. पास होने पर, those who are standing nearby, you can use the word as यह, यह means this, इसे, for him or for her, इसका, ये means this person, इन्हें, for them, इनका, that means their thing. These are the words which can be used if the person are nearby. These are the words which can be used if the person are nearby. पास होने पर. These are the examples for सर्वनाम, that is pronoun. धन्यवाद बच्चों.